like we have just finished the question, like question number 1, part number 3 is just finished. So what I want to do that I will solve first, we will work out part number 6 and then we will move to the part number 7, 8, 9 and 10, which are comparatively lengthy as compared to first 6 parts. So we are going to start question number 1, part number 6. I will write the question for you. Px square 8x plus 2 equals to 0. So I hope that all of you can see my writing page. I'm going to write it now. Okay, it is a question. So what will you do that you will start comparing with the standard quadratic equation ax square bx plus c equals to 0. You will separate the coefficients. A is equals to 3, b is equals to 8 and c is equals to 2, like this one. So you will write the formula, that is the quadratic formula, and then you will start substituting the values of a, b and c over 2 times. So you will substitute the values. Minus b will be minus times 8 plus minus 8 square minus 4 by the formula. A is 3 and c is 2. So I would suggest please keep on writing the small brackets where there are the terms so that you can keep the terms separately. So once you will write it or you will separate the terms, now you are in a position to simplify it further. So this will become minus 8 plus minus 64 minus 4 3 the 12, 12 2 the 24 and 2 3 the 6. This is equals to x. So what will you require, or what is required next, that you will simplify the term in the radical sign. That will become 64 minus 24, it will become 40 divided by 6. And as I told you earlier, that you have to write this 40 or the number in radical sign as a multiple of square number. So I will write 4 times 10 divided by 6. The purpose is very simple, that I want to get this number out of the radical sign. So I wanted to convert this number as a multiple of some square number. If it is a perfect square, like in previous question, there was 49 right here, and we had taken its square root, that was 7. So in this question, it is 40. So we are converting this 40 as a multiple of 4 so that we can take out radical of 4 or square root of 4. So it will become 2 times under root 10 divided by 6, like this one. So then in next step, you cannot directly cancel 2 and 6. You cannot directly cancel 8 and 6. I told you earlier that you have to take out some number common. Like 2 is taken as common, it will become minus 4 plus minus 10 under root. 2 is taken as common. Once you will take this number common, then you can easily cancel the terms now. Now you are in a position to cancel 2 and 6. It will become minus 4 plus minus under root 10 whole divided by 3. So this is equals to x. So you will see that no more further simplification can be done because 10 is already cannot be further simplified, and we are not going to use the decimals for this one. So we will write solution set, and this will complete the question. So it is comparatively easier question, whole divided by 3. So they are the two values of x which are been simplified. Okay, if you want to ask anything, you can ask me. Okay, from the very beginning again. A student who are not getting the voice or whose screen is becoming black, so please try to reconnect it, because there might be some internet problem from your side. Fine, this is working well. I hope that my voice is coming to all the students, all can see what I want to show you on my writing page. So I'm going to explain the question once again. Fine. So this is how we will start the question again. You will compare A is equals to 3, B is equals to 8, and C is equals to 2. So you will substitute into the quadratic formula and you will substitute the values and then you will start the simplification. So minus 8 plus minus 64 minus 24 over 6. You will simplify 64 minus 24, that will become 40. And then we will simplify 40 as 4 times under root 10. And then 4 radical will become 2 times under root 10, and you will take out something common, which is 2 from here, and then you will cancel 2 and 6 will be cancelled out, and the remaining will be your answer. Now we will move to the next question. I hope that should not be any problem. If there you want to ask anything, so please you can unmute your mic and you can raise your question.
अगर हम अंडर रूट 40 को डायरेक्ट 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय अंडर रूट 10 लिख दें तो
Can you speak bit louder?
सर अगर हम अंडर रूट 40 को डायरेक्ट ही 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय अंडर रूट 10 लिख दें तो
Yes, you can write it. You can write it, but I actually the point which I want to tell you that we will prefer that if we know something that how we are doing it, you can use your calculator. I told you earlier that keep your calculators with you, but my point is this, that you write it 40 directly to 2 times under root 10. But I will prefer that you should know what is inside job is being done right here, so, or which technique is being used. If you don't want to use a calculator, you can come through this way. If you want to use a calculator, you can come this way. Both are correct one, but this is theoretical procedure of converting the number 40 under root into 2 times under root 10. So I will suggest that you should learn this method, though you can use the calculator and there is nothing wrong in solving 40 under root directly as 2 times under root 10. Yes, any other question? Okay, we are going to start the next question. That is, I will show you. That is part number 7 onwards. Okay, we are going to start part number 7. We have two part number 7, part number 8. So I think we should take up part number 8, part number 9, and then 10. I'm going to start question number 1, part number 8. The statement is x plus 2 over x minus 1 minus 4 minus x over 2x equals to 2 whole 1 by 3. It is a statement of the question. So we are going to solve it. I will explain it. Okay, listen, this is because the question statement is not in standard quadratic form. You can see that the question is in not in standard quadratic form, it is in fractions. So what we will do now, that we will convert this form into this form, that is standard quadratic equation. We have done this sort of exercise or this sort of practice in exercise 1.1. So we will be doing the same thing right here. We are going to convert this fractional part or algebraic expressions into this standard quadratic form. So we will convert the question in this form, then we will apply the quadratic formula. Fine. So in this position, we can't use any formula. We don't know what is the shape of the quadratic equation. If we have to convert this fraction into quadratic equation. So how we will convert? We can use two different methods, but I will prefer the simplest one because question is already little bit lengthy. So I wanted to use such a way which can be the more simplified. 2 3 are 6 and 1 7 by 3. Convert this mixed number into fraction form, and then we will multiply each term by the LCM. So if you look at the denominators, what should be the LCM? X minus 1, 2x, and 3. These three terms of the numerator will become, these three terms of the numerator, these will become the LCM. So I would write 6 times x x minus 1, this will be the LCM of this numerator. So what I'm going to do, that I will multiply both sides with LCM. You people can take the LCM itself and then you can proceed as you people have done in your previous grade 8. But I would suggest that multiply with both sides with LCM. It will give you a shorter conversion. Look how I'm going to do. So please write small brackets or place small brackets around each term as I am writing, so that there should not be anything wrong. I will write in a moment. LCM is 6 times x minus 1. 6x times x minus 1, 6x times x minus 1. This is LCM. So I have multiplied every term on left hand side and right hand side with the LCM. Fine. Now I'm going for the cancellation. This x minus 1 will be cancelled. This 2 will be cancelled with this 6. X will be cancelled. 3 2s are 6. This will be cancelled. So it will become 6x times x plus 2 minus 3 times 4 minus x and x minus 1, and 7 2s are 14x x minus 1. So this is the point which I want to tell you, that I want to remove uh, 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 the fraction signs or the denominators. How we have done it, that we have multiplied every term with the LCM. And once you will multiply it every term with the LCM, the fractions will be eliminated. And you can see that the question will become in almost in a straight line. Now you can simply multiply these numbers and then you can simplify it, like 6x here plus 12x. Keep 3 outside. First multiply these two brackets first, like 4x minus 4 minus x square plus x. And on right hand side you will write 14x square minus 14. And now shift minus 3 inside. After the simplification you will get what is inside. 4x and 1x, it will become 5x minus 4 minus x square, and 14x square will be as it is minus 14x, 6x square plus 12x. Now you have 6x square plus 12x minus 15x. Keep watching, keep looking, because little bit more calculations. 3 4s are 12. 15x minus plus 12 plus 3x square minus 14x square and minus 14x. Now you are in a position now that you can shift all the terms from right hand side to left hand side, so that we can simplify the expression, like 6x square, 3x square, terms involving x square and minus 14x square from right hand side. And then we have 12x minus 15x, it will become minus 3x, and we will get plus 14x from the right hand side. And number plus 12 will be as it is. Now you simplified, 6 plus 3 will become 9, 9 minus 14 will become minus 5x square minus 9x square plus 11x plus 12 equals to 0. If you take out minus common, though either you can take it or you don't, it's your choice, but for the simplification just take out minus sign common. It will become like this one. Minus or minus 1 will be taken as common. Once you will take out minus sign common, then shift minus 1 on the other side, the standard quadratic equation will become like this one. So 0 divided by -1, it will become 0. Fine. Now you are in a position to compare it with the standard quadratic equation, that is ax square bx plus c equals to 0. Now a is equals to 5, b is equals to -11, and c is equals to -12. Clear? Okay, now what we have done from the very beginning, because now we will just put these values into the quadratic formula and then we will solve the answer for it. So I have separated ABC. I'm running space on this page. I will move to the next one. So I will separate. A was 5. B is -11 and C is equals to -12. Fine. So this is the formula. I will substitute these values into this form: minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC divided by 2. This is a quadratic formula. So you will substitute the values, that is minus times -11 plus minus -11 square 4 times 4 times. A is 5 and C is -12. 2 times A, that is 5. So once you will substitute these values, now we will go for the simplification, that is 11 plus minus 121 plus 4 5 are 20, and this will become, I think, 240 whole divided by 10. 11 plus minus, it will become 361 under root divided by 10 equals to x. All these are equals to x. Now 361, I think this is the square root of 17 divided by 10. Now we will simplify it by separating one time positive, one time negative, like this one. 11 minus 17 divided by 10. So it will become 28 by 10, and it will become minus 6 by 10. So once you will simplify it, cancellation, after the cancellation, it will become 14 by 5, and it will become minus 3 by 5. So once you will complete it, at the end you will write solution set, that is 14 by 5 comma minus 3 by 5, like this. Okay, we have finished the question. Just for a moment, if you look at these steps, I just confirm the answer of this question, and I will take your question, what the point were, whatever you want to ask, I will explain you again. Yes, see and ask your questions. We have done part number 8. So student, there is slight mistake somewhere. So let me check in a moment and I will tell you that what is wrong. Wait for a second. Wait for a second, please. Wait. Okay, we will do the correction because at one place I have written under root 17. It was supposed to be 19. So just let me share you. Okay, right here it should be 19. So I will correct it exactly at this position. Make it 19. So one time we will write it 19 and other time we will write it 19. It's a slight mistake. So I will correct it. It will become minus 8 by 10. So simplify will become minus 4 by 5. And here it will become 30 by 10. So I will just cancel it directly. I will write x should be equals to 30 by 10. That means x equals to 3. So the correction will give me, this will not be the solution. The solution set will be 3 comma minus 4 by 5. Okay. Uh, this is how you will finish the question. 361 radical sign or the under root sign should be 19, and then we will simplify it further. So what is important about this question? I would explain you that in last 4 parts or in last 5 parts, you will notice that we have to uh, convert the question into standard quadratic form first. This is a real problem, that you have to convert the question into standard quadratic equations. So for that purpose, we will use a technique you people have used in your previous grades, like in grade 9, that you will multiply LCM with these terms. Fine. So we will see x minus 1, 2x, and 3 as LCM. You will write, I have done the steps separately for you, that what will be the LCM. I have highlighted it. It should be 6x times x minus 1, as I have observed the denominators. I have written the LCM separately, and then I have written that multiply both sides with LCM. First, I have calculated the LCM, what should be the LCM, and then I have multiplied every fraction with the LCM, and you will see that all these fractions will be cancelled, and after the cancellation, you will get the term without fraction sign. Then the ordinary multiplication of brackets will be done. You will start multiply the brackets inside, and then you will simplify it. And the simplification, you have to be very careful about it, because if your standard quadratic equation is wrong, your solution will be wrong. Fine. You can see that at the end we have converted, after all of this lengthy calculations or the simplifications, we have reduced the questions to standard quadratic form, 5x square minus 11, and from this step we have separated uh, ABCs, and then we have substituted into the standard quadratic formula. Now you have to see that quadratic equation is wrong, then your answer will be wrong. There is no, the marks will not be allocated for you, because the important question is that you have to arrange the term in parallel to standard quadratic equation. And obviously if it is wrong, then ABC will be wrong, and the rest of the question will become automatically wrong. So this drill or this practice drill can be done from exercise 1.1, and I have uploaded the lectures for exercise 1.1 already. So I will upload those values on you can, if you want to see that what was we have done in exercise 1.1, you can see from there. It is already uploaded there. Now you want to ask anything, I will take your question. I feel that we are running short of time, and for that purpose, I want to take your questions, and then we will wind up the today's lecture right here. And we have another double class tomorrow, and I will explain you rest of the questions then. I want to take your question. Please ask any question. You can unmute your mic and you can ask any question. Yes. What is a homework or the classwork requirement? I would tell you that you should complete question number 1, starting from question number 1, part number 1 to part number 8. Till part number 8, you should work out yourself, because all these parts, you are in a position now to solve these parts. First 6 parts can be appear as short question, because you people can use your calculators to answer these questions. So first 6 parts and their examples, like the examples which are in exercise 1.2 or relevant to 1.2, they can be appear as short question as well. So what is the task that you have to complete? That you have to write. If you have gotten the copies from the school office, it's okay. If you would not have those, you are asked to get the copies from the school or the school office. If you have gotten it, it's okay. Otherwise, just write it somewhere, so that you can be well prepared for tomorrow's lecture, because we will wind up this 1.2 and we will start exercise 1.3. And one more thing is there, that please, you can see that we have about 33 participants or 34 participants. So please, it is your moral duty that you have to communicate to all your friends and fellows that we are, as teachers, I have strictly forbade the teachers not to upload the video lectures, because students are not taking the classes seriously. We have sacrificed lot of things. Fine, you are sitting at your homes, but we have done lot of homework to manage all these online classes, and students are still taking it very lightly. So please understand that you have to communicate. Boys will communicate with the boys, and girls will communicate with the girls, and convince them that please be online. Fine, we will not upload these classes because this totally discourage you to take your online sessions. Though you are in the very beginning one, I have started math classes, obviously right before your break, Ramzan break. And now we are in the continuation. I have given you the complete timetable for 5 classes per day. If the class will not happen, if there are some sort of technical problems, then then I will only then there will be a chance that we will upload some video lectures. So we will prefer that please take the online classes, and you should have discussions among yourself. I will explain the example number 1 on the book and page number 2, because we are running short of time. Iman Fatma is asking, and I will explain you tomorrow. Fine. Part number 8 is just explained in a moment. You can ask me from anywhere it is right in front of you, then I will explain you from where you want. You can unmute your mic and ask me quickly, Aniba. The whole question is in front of you. You can ask me if from anywhere you want to ask, please tell me. Yes, I am
अगर
waiting
हम
for your
-1
question. Yes, Aniba. Yes, anyone want to ask question?
सर अगर हम
Yes.
-1 कॉमन ना लें और एक ही वैल्यू -5
If you will take not -1 common, even then the answer will become perfect. Fine, there will be nothing wrong if you will not take -1 common. It is not compulsory to take -1